I got a box in the mail, and for once I actually knew it was coming. So I'm gonna crack it open and see what's inside. Try not to cut my hand again. This knife cost me $1 at one of the various dollar stores, and it was a very good investment, I must say. I've been cutting packages with it for years now. All right, open. Gotta say this about Brand Alliance. They pack things really well. All right, slide that. Oh. Well, this one's actually kind of heavy. Dev Alpha C. Exclusive for me. Not for resale. Can't sell this. Millions of possibilities. Millions. Alright. Don't need the sleeve. Open up and see what's inside. Dev Alpha C. This one has a keyboard. I can never get these things off with one hand. Oh. Look at that. Is that not a pretty sight? Ooh. Property of Research in Motion. That company doesn't even exist anymore, really. But there it is. Ooh. And what have we got? Oh, this one came with stuff galore inside here. If I can get it out, which I probably can't do with one hand. This is why man has feet. Oh god, there's a hole in my sock. This whole thing is ruined. Alright, come on out. This is stuck in there pretty good. Alright, come on. There it is. Alright. What's in the box? Start here. Oh, I will. Update my, let's see, this is update your, this is bad, I'm not doing very well. Update your Dev Alpha C smartphone, blah, 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 yeah, I know. Safety and product info. Nice USB cable. Nice charger. And of course, the BlackBerry battery. So, let's see if I can unfold this and see if it says anything interesting. It looks cool. But, there it is. Here it is. Dev Alpha C. And there I am. Hello. But, yep. That's it. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at what was in the box.